Okay, so here we're trying to find the mass of the central body, right? But we're given period instead of the velocity. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set this thing up. We're going to go centripetal force, so satellite mass, and now since we're given period, I'm going to use 4 pi squared r over t squared, right? This is my centripetal force. Centripetal force equals gravity, which is gravity is gmcms. Some central body mass, satellite mass, right, over r squared, right? And of course we cancel the satellite mass. And what are we solving for? We're solving for the mass, right? So the next step is cross multiply, right? So you get 4 pi squared, and then r times r squared, they don't cancel, that's r to the third, you nillies. And then I go t squared times gmc, right? So the period squared, gravity, and mass of the central body, right? And then I guess we're solving for this guy here. So the central body, I'm just going to divide both sides by t squared g, right? 4 pi squared r to the third over t squared times g. All right. And then when you're doing this in your calculator, be careful. This denominator, you need to put parentheses around it. Or you need to use the fraction thing on your calculator that lets you make it look like this. Okay, so 4 pi squared. Then the radius is 7.5 times 10 to the 6th. And that's going to be the third. And that's divided by 8,900 squared. And then g is still 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11th. I hate it when the thing doesn't cover it up like that. Okay, here we go. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? 4 times pi squared times 7.5, 6, and then don't forget to raise that to the third power. You actually don't need parentheses. You can actually type this into your calculator. 7.5 e6 to the third, and it will evaluate that correctly. And then divided by, and then I have to do the denominator, so I go divided by left parenthesis. I'm actually putting this whole thing in parentheses. Okay, so left parenthesis, 8,900 squared times 6.67 e to the minus 11th. Right parentheses, now I've got that, and wow, that's a big number. 3.152 times 10 to the 24th kilograms, which I guess would be about 3.2 times 10 to the 24th. How about them apples?